How to activate TD Bank debit card online. In order to do so, you may follow up the step. So go ahead and open up your browser, and in the browser type in TD. Once you do, you will be finding the official link of TD, which is td.com. Go ahead and tap on that link. After tapping on that link, you will be taken to a login page. So from the given page, what you can do is simply head over the login icon at the top right, tap on it, and after tapping on it, here you'll be finding different options. So head over to online banking. And then after heading over to online banking, what you need to do is wait for the screen to load up. And then simply log in into your account using your username and password and tap on this login button. Once you are logged in, you should be finding an interface where you'll be finding a card section. So all you gotta do is simply tap on it. And after tapping on it, you should be finding something like this. For example, unlock card or activate card. All you gotta do is simply tap on that option and follow the on-screen prompts. And after you do that, your TD Bank debit card should be activated online. So that's it for now. You may follow up the step. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.